Today I'm turning 9 ordinary breaks into something crazy, and I'm rating every single one out of 10. These 9 breaks are gonna be YouTuber, football player, games, movie and cigarette one. But there is one problem. It is really hot today and my phone is 5 years old, so I need to be faster and quick. Alright, let's start with gold. First, I need to make this break smooth with some sanding. Okay, let's make it gold. This doesn't look right. Need one layer of gold. Oh, okay, that actually looks like gold. Rating gold 9 out of 10. Next up, Spider-Man. My opinion is this is the best movie. Even Spider-Man has to sand brakes when his webs run out. Time to add red and detail. Beautiful. Don't worry, I fixed these mistakes. Fix the detail and Spider-Man done. Rating Spider-Man 8.5 out of 10.
MrBeast, Рис, MrBeast, yes, Рис, посмотри вниз.
Obviously, we need MrBeast. He has over half a billion subscribers, so maybe these breaks can compete with him. I add the blue. I like this blue because it's so beautiful. I add the detail like this. MrBeast also done. Rating MrBeast 9.1 out of 10. This one is for YouTube. You know what to do. Subscribe. Subscribe is good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Subscribe rating 8 out of 10. Next one, Cristiano Ronaldo. After a few hours, I don't like the color, so I need to change this. still not right, and I don't like the situation. Golden Ronaldo. Finally, this is good. Rating Ronaldo 9.5 out of 10.
Oh my god, bro.
Now Messi or Ronaldo? Let me know in the comment. I add like Ronaldo's situation gold and red, but this one is gold and blue. Actually, this is too great, golden and blue. Rate Messi 8.5 out of 10. Okay, speed. This one has to be crazy. And what should I paint next? This one is also good. Rating speed 8 out of 10. Minecraft, let's just do it. Done. Rating Minecraft 8.1 out of 10. And finally GTA 6. I will save this one for last one. The black color and logo is so shiny. Okay, this might be my favorite one. Rating GTA 6 9 out of 10. 9 breaks, 9 design. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comment. Let me know and subscribe.